So quick little snippet about outdoor kitchens. We're doing a screened-in porch with a deck and a beautiful outdoor kitchen. We enjoy running gas to this outdoor kitchen. Of course, you can do propane, but the thing about propane is inconvenient. You have to keep switching it out. Sometimes it runs low. You forget, it gets cold outside. The weather's not nice, and it's just a hassle. You have to have a separate gas permit. You have to be licensed in gas piping and get it through the county or city, wherever you are, to be able to make sure this job happens. And trust me, you want a permit for this job. You never want someone who's not licensed handling the gas, because that can be a big problem. But yeah, real quick, we'll be running the gas from the house underneath, making sure everything's secure, running it right to the outdoor kitchen.